In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue where Steam can't add your phone number. This is a common problem that many users encounter, but don't worry, it only takes a few minutes to sort out. Let's dive into the process to help you get back on track. First things first, make sure to open your Steam app. If you don't have it installed on your computer yet, you'll need to do that first. Once it's open, navigate to the top right corner and click on Login. This will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your account name and password. Take a moment to ensure you type them correctly, as a typo could prevent successful login. After you've entered your details, proceed by clicking on Sign In. Now you'll be brought to your Steam homepage. Look for your profile name, which should be located somewhere at the top of the page, and click on it. From the drop down menu that appears, select Account Details. This section is where you can manage various aspects of your Steam account. Once there, you'll see an option to add phone number. Click on that to begin the process of adding your number. If at this stage you're still having difficulty adding your phone number, don't worry. You can get more help directly from Steam. Go back to your account page and look for the Help section, which will usually be at the top or bottom of the page depending on the interface update. Click on Help and then select Steam Support. From there, choose My Account. Now click on the Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. This is a tool that helps secure your account, and if there's an issue with the phone number, it might be related. If the problem persists, click on My Issue Isn't Listed, and you'll be given a chance to describe your specific situation. Here, type in your request regarding the phone number addition issue. Once you've typed out your request or description of the problem, click on Send. This will forward your concern to Steam's support team. They will review your issue and get back to you with a solution. Keep an eye on your email or your Steam account notifications for their response. It may take a bit of time for Steam to respond, so sit tight. In the meantime, double check your details and ensure there are no typos or missing information that could be causing the issue. If you followed all these steps carefully, your phone number should soon be successfully added to your Steam account. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and solutions to streamline your Steam experience.